Well, eventually.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Karen. I met Arnoux actually a year ago, last February, and I signed up for his course. I was supposed to attend March, it didn't work out, came in July, and what I wanted to work on was my finances, bringing money into me. Did some work there at the class, did some more work when I got home, and it came down to my mom. I'm still working on my mom. It's a process, and it's sometimes you'll have blocks, and you just need to kind of take a step back from that block and let it come. And it will come. It takes time. I was supposed to be here in November. I made a commitment I had forgotten about to babysit my grandson, so I was not able to make it. So I made an intention to be here. And I'm looking forward to this, to continue on. And I have also been applying it to the kids that I work with. Not exactly what you do, but so they understand. And it's amazing to watch the transformation. Just a tiny bit of this piece of the work that he does is incredible. It works. And thank you.
You're welcome. Did you have a change in your finances? Mm-hmm. Did you have a change in your finances?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you want to share about that?
I found out the block goes back to my mother and the lack that we had in our life. I removed that lack from me, that emotion that I had, that emotional tie, and I had a position come up working with kids after school program, and it's been a blast.
So did your income change?
Yes, it did.
Do you want to share?
I'm making about $800 more than what I was before.
Per month?
Per month.
Is that what your goal was?
My goal was actually $1,200, and I'm still working on that.
So you're 2/3 of the way there.
Yes, I am.
Bravo.